Designing, planning, execution. So much goes into the construction of a new building. Magic-Pak makes more possible every step of the way. Magic-Pak is the ideal heating and cooling solution for multi-family and mixed-use designs. For architects, Magic-Pak represents design freedom. It doesn't let heating and cooling requirements get in the way of artistic vision. The building can be executed exactly the way the architect envisioned it. For mechanical engineers, Magic-Pak represents simplified specification. Magic-Pak means consistency from room to room and floor to floor, so specification is the same and installation time is shortened. For developers, Magic-Pak represents savings and peace of mind. Magic-Pak can save up to $500 in upfront costs per unit, while offering lower operational costs over the lifetime of the property. Because it's self-contained and off the ground, Magic-Pak prevents disruptions that can occur from copper theft and damage. At ground level, there is only clean common use space. There's no noise or exhaust air to prevent tenants from enjoying their balconies. Make your vision a reality with Magic-Pak. Heating and cooling designed for every stage of development.